Precious argan oil. Special formula uses highest quality argan oil to provide superior damage restoration and nourishment. High-quality argan oil contains essential vitamins nutrients, encouraging beneficial hair follicle growth and healthier hair. Nourishes and conditions. Special formula deeply conditions and absorbs into any kind of hair, promoting a soft texture and a brilliant, healthy shine. No frizz. Proven to prevent frizz, argan oil restores and strengthens weak or damaged hair. Regenerates hair, leaving it soft, silky, and easier to manage. All hair types. Works amazingly for all types of hair, wet or dry. Highest quality oil works on permed, natural, or curly hair. Also ideal for chemically and color-treated hair. One and only. Brings passion and creativity to designing haircare products that enhance the beauty of the hair you were born with. Experience innovative products and indulge in expressing your style with the one and only products that allow you to own your beauty. Cleanse. Healthy hair and a healthy scalp begin with nourishing and reparative argan oil moisture repair shampoo. Gently cleanse away impurities while moisturizing strands. Treat. Argan oil conditioner and treatments pamper and repair dry, damaged hair while helping to prevent breakage and reduce frizz. Style. Embrace your natural texture and express your style. We have the styling products to make it easy to maintain or change any look. Finish. Finishing products are must-haves in any hairstyling arsenal. Create your perfect style and make it last while controlling frizz and flyaways. Top reviews from the United States. Keeps hair soft. Love this product. My hair is dry and I can use this product daily without it making my hair oily. Makes my hair soft and manageable. Price is cheaper on Amazon than the local outlets.